Hey up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Andy. I've purchased some LED lights for the DJI Avata 2. I want to share it with you and just let you have a look at what they're like and what weight they are, the weight of the drone with and without the battery, the weight of the drone with the LED. As you can see there, I've put the LED underneath and I've put one at the front. I wanted to get a weight without the battery, just with the LEDs, and as you can see there, came in at 286 grams. So that's the weight with the battery. That's 434 grams. So the drone has now got the LEDs underneath, the LED on the front, and the DJI Avata 2 battery with that total weight. So I decided to do a video and just show you what they look like when they're installed and you're in a dark environment. So you have 7 colours to choose from with these LEDs underneath. The one at the front there is just a single strobe. It does flash twice by holding your finger on the button, but the one underneath is the one that's remote control. So it has 7 different sequence of colours that you can use to your preference. So the overall weight of that drone with everything on it is 434 grams. So obviously it's going to be different to fly this drone with that weight, because it's not a sub 250 gram drone anymore. What it isn't anyway. DJI Avata 2 is a different weight compared to a Mavic Mini. So as you can see by the video I've done here, that's the rear view of the drone. These lights are super bright. Your drone's going to be seen no matter how far it goes away. So I've got mine flashing white and red, and I've just got the single strobe on the front which flashes super bright white. So if you want to buy these lights, if you leave a comment, I'll tell you where I got them from. They're only about £6, but you get 2 of the ones underneath, the triangle ones, and that comes with a remote control. So here we're going to weigh the battery for the DJI Avata 2, and the battery comes in at 148, is it? Yeah, 148 grams. So one battery is 148 grams for the Avata 2. I'm going to weigh the super bright LED that I fitted underneath. You get 2 of these for £6.50, I think. I think they're £6.50. That weighs in at 36 grams for one of the lights. If you've got a bigger drone, obviously these 2 lights will fit on no problem whatsoever. But I'll just test it for you and show you what it looks like. But that's just flashing white and red at the minute. You can change loads of different colours on it, but they're really, really bright. So you're not going to have any problems finding your drone in the sky, certainly on a night time. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to weigh the drone. Now I've fitted it underneath, and I've got the LED on the front, and the drone with the LEDs but no battery is 286 grams. So I'm going to get a battery out. I'm going to fit a battery onto the Avata 2 and show you what it weighs with the battery on. So that's without a battery. I added a gram on for a reason, I don't know why, but 434 grams is the DJI Avata with the LEDs and a battery, and it's still got the gimbal cover on. So thanks for watching guys, I hope you've liked that. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.